Running GameLoom on Linux is very straightforward. It's 3 easy steps. I'm going to show it here on Debian, but it should work on any Linux, any system that has Java 22 or greater installed and added to the path and accessible via the terminal. So from the repository homepage here at github.com/game-loom/GameLoom, capital G, capital L on all the GameLooms, we're met with the file listing and the README straight away. If we scroll down in the README a little bit, we'll see this run from jar file section, and we're going to walk through these steps today. So the first step is to download the zip file that contains the jar. If we scroll up, back into the file listing, we'll see this guy here, gameloom.zip, and if we click it, it'll bring us to a page here where we can download the raw file. So this button over here on the right side, if we click that, we'll start the download, and then we'll just go ahead and open it, show it in folder. So we have this gameloom.zip now, and we just want to right-click it, extract archive here, auto-detect subfolder, and now we have the GameLoom folder here. So if we open it, we can verify that the contents match what we saw on the repo homepage. And the next thing we need to do is open a terminal. So I'm going to do Control-Alt-T to open up a terminal. And inside here, we need to navigate to this folder that we've just extracted this to. So we need to go back into our file system here, and we need to copy this whole thing, whole path. Then we're going to do CD space, and we're going to paste the path we want to change directories to. Hit enter. And then if we want to run ls just to list and verify, we can check to see that all of these same listings here show up in our file system on the left. And so what we need to do now is open up the README. And in Windows, I showed the TXT. So in Linux here, I'll show Markdown, the MD. And so from the top, we can scroll down a little bit. We can find the run from jar section. And we just need this Linux command here. So if we copy this whole thing, we go back in here and we paste it, Control-Shift-V, we'll notice that there's a placeholder right here in these diamonds, and that immediately after the placeholder starts with GameLoom. So what we're going to do is we are going to go back to our file system here. We're going to click on our path, and we don't need the GameLoom /, so we'll just get rid of it. And then we're just going to copy everything that ends with downloads, and we're going to use the arrows on our keyboard to navigate to where the diamonds start. And right about there, we'll backspace them out, and Control-Shift-V to paste in, and we're going to complete this. So now we have download /GameLoom here, and if we hit enter, mine opened on another monitor. I'll drag it in here. Program goes ahead and opens for us.